Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another clean with me. This video will be an after dark clean with me. So I'm going to be cleaning in my living room and in my kitchen. My living room is not that bad because we don't spend a lot of time in there. It's mainly my kitchen that needs the most attention. So I'm about to clear off this table because I have a bad habit of just throwing stuff on this table when I come in. So I'm just going to be putting everything back, where it needs to go. I do need to wipe down the table, my countertops, and I have some dishes that I need to wash, and I will be sweeping and mopping. So that's mainly all I have to do, as far as the kitchen. So that's pretty much that. I'm gonna go ahead and get right into this video, but before I get too far into this video, I would like to thank any new subscribers that I may have. Thank y'all for stopping by and support my channel, and I also like to thank my old subscribers as well for sticking around and support my channel. So that's pretty much that. I'm gonna go ahead and get right into this video, and I hope y'all enjoy. So I'm going to go ahead and get my dishwater started and let these dishes, soak while I go clean, in the living room, and then I'll come back to wash them. So I'm about to switch around my coffee table. I had it the other way for a while. I do like to rearrange furniture. I'm not going to be rearranging my living room today. I'll do that in another, video. I just wanted to switch around, the coffee table and see how it looks turned the other way. So y'all, I literally just broke my glass. Like, how did that happen? I am kind of heavy-handed, so maybe I put too much pressure on it while I was trying to clean it. But this was like my favorite glass because I like the quote that it had on it. It said, live every moment, laugh every day, and love with all your heart. I found it from the Dollar Tree a while back, and this was like the last one that they had. So hopefully they have some more in stock. If not, I have to look at another Dollar Tree. But if I don't find it, it is what it is. But hopefully I can be able to find it again. So y'all, I'm getting ready to mop, so I'm gonna be using this Method Squirt Plus Mop Hard Floor Cleaner. I got this from the Girl Collaborative, and I done had it for a while, but I forgot that I had some left. It's almost empty, so I said I was gonna start back using it so I can go ahead and empty it out. This scent is spearmint sage. I love the smell of spearmint, but this smells really good, and it's non-toxic and plant-based, which is a plus. Even though I love my chemicals, I love my Clorox, Pine Sol, and all that stuff, but from time to time I will try, you know, non-toxic plant-based products. So that's what I'm going to be using to mop with. And y'all, I really been enjoying and loving my mop. I done had it for a while. I like it because I feel like it's more sanitary than you know, the traditional mop. And with these mop heads, you can just pop them off and throw them in the washing machine and put on another one, because it came with two. So I've just really been loving that.